元。
So hello friends, how are you? I hope you're all are fine. Well, in today's video I'm gonna show you how you can make survey corps sword. Well, survey corps are the corps. It's a kind of team from Attack on Titan. If you have watched that anime, then you have already known about this. Well, I've got a comment from a person a while ago to build this Attack on Titan uh, weapon. So yes, that is what I'm going to show you in this video. Well, let me tell you that this whole sword is only made of cardboard. Yes guys, I only used cardboard to build this sword, and it's actually very strong, and that is what I'm going to show you in this video. Well, there's a bit of newspaper involvement in that, and where did I use the newspaper, you'll find that in this video. So let us start the video already.
I could always be the one you wanna call when it's cold outside. I will always be the one that's right here standing by your side. Open up your heart and let me in. I promise not to break you. I promise I'll be all that you want. So let me in my heart before. Let me in. Oh, your love explodes. Our hearts implodes. Your love explodes. Our hearts
chega, domina o baile, é foda demais. Gata braba, safada, bagunça meu juízo em paz. faz. Vai rebolando, jogando o corpinho sem dó nem dó. No grave que bate, que bota com bota, que bota com bota com muita pressão. No batucão ela vem, vem. Sua na pele não para, vai, vai. Corpo no grave perde a razão. Que bota com muita pressão. No batucão ela vem, vem. Sua na pele não para, vai, vai. Corpo no grave.
Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and also smash the like button on the bottom of this video. Also let me know in the comments, did you like this video or not. Also share this video with your friends and family members and all known for people, so they can also read this type of content. Also more craft videos are coming. There are very more amount of people who asked me to make craft videos, so yes, more craft videos are coming soon. So I guess you have to wait for that, and don't forget to subscribe. And thank you so much for 1k subscribers. Actually I have more than 1k subscribers, and finally my channel have got eligible. So that is all from your support, guys, and I really appreciate that. And so thank you so much to all of my subscribers, and that's it for today. Till then, sayonara, bye bye.